Welcome back to Mqlrobot EAS. In this video, we explore the structure of the MA Crossover TPSL EA, designed and built using FXDreema, the no-code platform for MetaTrader automated strategies. This expert advisor uses a simple yet powerful trend-following technique, moving average crossover. Specifically, it compares weighted moving averages, WMA, across 3 time frames, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours, to determine high probability entry points. Here's how it works. Buy signals are triggered when WMA crossovers align on the 30-minute chart, and the current price is above the moving average on both the 1 hour and 4 hour time frames. Sell signals are generated under the opposite conditions. Each trade is executed with a fixed take profit and stop loss, customizable through external inputs. The logic is clear. The design is modular, and it's easy to adapt to any time frame or strategy variation using FXDreema. This EA does not use trailing stop or dynamic position sizing. It focuses purely on price action and confirmation across multiple time frames for cleaner signals. Important note, before using this EA in a live account, always backtest with 99.9% tick data and ensure that you fully understand the trading logic, market behavior, and the associated risk involved. If you'd like to get this EA ready to use or continue improving it, visit the link below. mqlrobot.com subscribe. For more robot builds and walkthroughs on Mqlrobot EAS, thank you for watching.